Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you a Gumroad for beginners step-by-step setup and selling guide. Start today. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. How can you go about setting up Gumroad as a beginner? It's quite easy. Just go ahead and open up your browser. So once you've opened up your browser, simply search for Gumroad, and where we have gumroad.com, earn your first dollar online with Gumroad. Go ahead and click on this link. So click on gumroad.com. Okay guys, so once you log on to gumroad.com, go ahead and click on the start selling option. As we're not looking to log in, we're just going to be clicking on start selling. So go ahead and click on start selling. Alright guys, so once the sign up menu opens up, just go ahead and provide an email and create a password for your Gumroad account. So I'm just going to be entering an email and a password of my choosing and clicking on create account, and I'll be showing you what comes next. So do this and just click on create account. Alright guys, so once you're done with the sign up process on the Gumroad sign up, you're directly dropped at gumroad.com/settings, and it's on this settings menu you could easily set up your notifications for your account. You could also set up your support, that's your email, and also your time zone and what currency you sell in. So you can simply select your local currency if it's the Swiss franc or the South African rand. Alright, so with this in mind, let's just head to the home section. That's your dashboard, I believe. Alright guys, so once you're at the Gumroad welcome page, we have the onboarding process. So welcome aboard, make a Gumroad account, customize your profile, show time, create your first product, get your first follower, make your first sale. I'm just going to be covering these three: customizing your profile and showcasing your first product. Now, one thing you need to understand with Gumroad, it's an application or a website where creators who make use of digital products, who sell digital products like ebooks, um, tutorial videos, and anything that's sellable like a course, you can make up some good kind of money from Gumroad. All right, so let's just use the get started menu to customize our profile. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab and head over to that new tab. Alright guys, so you're dropped at the profile menu of Gumroad, and where we have profile username, you can now edit your username to match your profile. View your profile at this.gumroad. We also have name, we have bio, we have logo. So your logo will be visible next to your name in your Gumroad profile and product pages. So if you're a media personality, you could simply add a logo or a name that matches with either your YouTube channels or any channel that brings out your name, your character as a person. You could simply add it here. And also we have social media links, so you could simply connect your Gumroad account to your X, that's to your Twitter. And then we also have the design, so your font, ABC favorite, quirky and unique, sans serif. We have Inter, simple and modern sans serif, and a lot. So background color can be white, highlight color can be pink. You can now simply edit this highlight color to be somewhere around colors like this. And yeah, so it would take effect in your profile. Now, the next part of your settings menu is a team. So I believe if you work with a team, you can connect with them on Gumroad. If you have a team you're working with, you could easily connect with them on Gumroad. You can add team members to Gumroad by just simply sending an invitation. You could also add team members and give them different roles. All right, guys, so let's just simply head back to the Gumroad onboarding process. So we've customized our profile, and now we have to get into making our first product. So as I said earlier in the beginning part of the video, Gumroad is a platform that suits creators preferably, as Gumroad allows you the creative freedom to have any type of products. Gumroad is not restricted to one type of product. You can have a variety of products, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get your first product created. So let's just go with the same process, open a new tab and head over there. Alright guys, so here we're on the publish your first product menu. So publish your first product, turn your idea into a live product in minutes, no fuss, just a quick selection and you're ready to start selling. Alright, so basically like I said earlier, Gumroad does not restrict you to any kind of products. Like we have digital products, we have ebooks, we have bundles, we have course or tutorial, as I mentioned earlier, and a membership. And if you scroll a bit more, we have services like sell custom services with 50% deposit upfront and 50% upon completion. This is amazing. We have offer schedule calls with your customers, and coffee, boost your support and accept tips from customers. And now you can price your products. So I have something I've been working on Canva. So let's just head over to canva.com. Remember to take note of the kind of products that are acceptable on Gumroad, like digital products, ebooks, and bundles, as well as course or tutorial. So it says here, sell a single lesson or teach a whole cohort of students. Ebook, offer an ebook comic in PDF, EPUB, and MOBI formats. Digital products. So we have various kinds of digital products. So any set of files to download or stream is a digital product, like maybe tutorial videos and things like that. So I'm just going to keep it simple with an ebook, as ebooks are easy to get in with, and then give it a price. Then we'll head over to Canva and I'll explain a little bit about how you can use Canva to make your Gumroad product selection or product creation easy. So how much would an ebook go for? $30, and then simply click on customize. So go ahead and click on customize, but don't forget to give it a name as I just did. So before we give it a name, let's just simply head over to Canva. So once you're on Canva, make sure you have an account on Canva. If you do not, use the sign up link to simply sign up to Canva. And once you're here, at the home section, you can see your recent designs, as I have something, like I said, I've been working on, which is basically for gym rats, people who love to go to the gym. You could simply have tutorials or pictures or images or courses or digital products for them by just simply having things like this. You could even use this image as a thumbnail. So all you need to do is just create something like this. So where we have the create at the top left, click on create. And then when we have create a design, just underneath templates, you can find templates you can use, like the gym center, this fitness with Drew, all this good stuff, plan, work, repeat. So this could be the cover of your thumbnail or the cover of your digital product. So let's just go ahead and open this new tab. But in my other previous tabs that I have open for Gumroad, you can see it kind of looks like this. And now you can simply edit the text, move the text around. If you're proficient with Canva, then this is really easy for you. Otherwise, check out some of our videos for how to make use of Canva. All right. So once you have yourself, a thumbnail or a cover art or a cover photo, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the share. Once you've made use of a template, as templates are easily customizable and usable on Canva. So once you have a template, just go ahead and click on the little download that you can find here. Click on download, and it's going to download this media to your device, and all you need to do is make use of it. All right, so while it's downloading in the background, let's head back to Gumroad. Now simply give it a name. So what product will we be giving it for? Let's just call it, so we can give it workout for you and then click on customize. Remember, it's an ebook, and ebooks would require covers as well as, actual content inside. So you're going to need to provide some sort of written book or PDF or Word document that you can simply upload to Gumroad and would be easily downloadable by users and customers. So you're dropped at the products menu again for your content, and then you can still work on the name here, and then you can now give it a description. So you can easily describe your product and then edit the URL. You can also upload a cover photo or cover image, as I told you earlier. You could, and then you could also add a thumbnail for it. The thumbnail is how it's going to appear in the Gumroad library, discover, and profile pages. And then your product info is at the bottom, and then integration and pricing and versions and settings and custom domains. So we'll be going through each and every one of these, as it's quite easy to do. All you need to do for describing is just go ahead and describe your product. You could even use the insert button to simply insert a Twitter post, a button, upsell, reviews. You could add text, headers, subtitles, bulleted list, code blocks. You could also, attach a link and then insert messages, images, videos and audio. So it depends on what kind of product you have slated for your comic book and stuff. Now the cover photo is quite important. So click on upload and then select from computer files. There's the option to go external with a link. Let's just simply go into downloads. Click on this and then click on open. I believe, okay, click on this. I have this here and now click on open. So it's going to go ahead and upload the file you had selected onto your Gumroad work page. And then for thumbnails, it's the same process. Just make sure it's at least 600 by 600 px in either JPEG, PNG, and GIF formats. So yeah. Now the cover photo is going to load in from what we just worked on at Canva. So don't forget to make use of the Canva templates you have on your Canva account in relation to what you're working on. Now for the call to action, it says I want this, so you can just simply go ahead and edit this call to action button, buy this, and then summary, a digital workout plan, and additional pages, additional details, pages, value, blah blah blah, integration. So you can now invite your customers to your Gumroad community chat. So if you want a community, you can get it there. If you want to invite your customers to a circle community, invite your customers to Discord, all that good stuff. So you're going to have to paste your API token, which I'm not going to be doing right now. And then you can now connect your Gumroad to Discord first in order to go through with this process. So just have this in mind. And then as for the pricing, allow customers to pay what they want. Nah, allow customers to pay in installments. Okay. Monthly payments, you can now set it to 3 monthly payments, and then versions, offer variation of the product. So you could have different variations of this product at different prices. And then settings, limit product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, publicly show the number of sales on your product page, mark product as e-publication for VAT purposes, and then specify a refund policy. And then you can also set up a custom domain. So I'm just going to be skipping through this and clicking on save and continue. And then the next is the content. So you actually have to enter the content you want to sell. So upload your files or start typing. So you could easily upload your stuff by simply clicking on this insert or upload files. So you could simply upload computer files here, like the content you want to sell. And then let's just continue with publish and share. And you have to confirm your email address, but to appear on Gumroad Discover, you need to meet the eligibility criteria. We also have Gumroad Discover categories and stuff like that. So guys, that's how you can easily go about setting up your Gumroad account and selling. All you need to do is just make sure you have your product ready, you have your cover photo, you know how to use templates on Canva and other places, and then simply click on the products page and go through with this tutorial. Alright guys, so once you're done with everything on the Gumroad, all you need to do is just head over to publish and continue and simply click on publish and it will be available on your page for sale. So guys, that's it. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.